Hello and welcome back to Clint's Corner. Over the past few weeks we've been looking at hamper and presentation boxes. It is now the Christmas season and you're probably looking to send out the perfect gift to clients, employees or loved ones. That's where custom boxes come into play. Custom hampers and presentation boxes aren't just packaging, they're an experience. With unique designs and personalisation options, they turn any gift into a memorable moment. And here's the bonus. Right now we're offering an amazing deal on custom printed hamper box print origination costs. You can save big and create boxes that reflect your brand identity. Our print origination is usually £150, but for November it's just £50 per print. As we approach the end of the year, it's essential to note that lead times may extend. So if you want your custom boxes ready for the holiday rush, don't wait, get your orders in now. Whether it's for client gifting, employee appreciation or making your year-of-end products shine, custom boxes are your secret weapon. So why settle for the ordinary when you can create something extraordinary? Get in touch with us and let's make your holiday season unforgettable. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Clint's Corner.